Your Samsung Galaxy suddenly shows a warning. Device overheating. Everything slows down, apps close, charging stops. Don't panic. Here's exactly what to do, step by step.
Samsung has a two-stage thermal protection system. Stage 1 reduces brightness, throttles performance, and closes background apps. Your phone still works, but it is limited. If the temperature keeps rising, Stage 2 kicks in. The phone shuts down completely. Only emergency calls remain active.
Fix number 1 is free and fast. Disconnect the charger immediately. Close all running apps. Move to a cooler spot and remove the phone case. Turn off Wi-Fi, GPS, and Bluetooth. Wait 5 to 15 minutes. And never put your phone in the fridge. That causes condensation damage.
Fix number 2, update your software. Go to Settings, then Software Update, and tap Download and Install. Samsung releases updates that fix thermal bugs and improve performance. After updating, expect 48 to 72 hours of optimization. That is normal.
Fix number 3, adjust your charging settings. Go to Settings, Battery, then More Battery Settings. Turn off fast charging, super fast charging, and fast wireless charging. Switch to wired charging with a Samsung authorized charger. And never use the phone while it is plugged in.
Fix number 4, enable power saving mode. Go to Settings, Battery and Device Care, and turn on Power Saving. This turns off always-on display, disables 5G, and limits the CPU to 70%. Also enable put unused apps to sleep. Set your refresh rate to standard at 60 Hz. This prevents recurrent overheating.
Fix number 5, diagnose with safe mode. Hold the power button, long press power off, then tap safe mode. If overheating stops, a third-party app is the cause. Uninstall recent apps. If it continues, the issue is hardware or system level.
Fix number 6, check your battery health. Open the Samsung Members app, go to Support, then Phone Diagnostics, then Battery. If health is below 80%, visit a Samsung Service Center. Swollen batteries are a fire risk. Stop using the phone immediately.
Now, why does your Samsung overheat? Hot environments above 35 degrees. Heavy gaming on the S26 Ultra. Fast or wireless charging while using the phone. Thick phone cases that trap heat. Degraded batteries below 80% health. Multiple radios active at once, like GPS plus Wi-Fi plus cellular. Software bugs and weak signal areas also contribute.
Here is what not to do. Never put your phone in the fridge. Thermal shock cracks glass. Never run it under cold water. Water damage is still a risk. Never use fake cooling apps. They are often malware. Never ignore the warning and keep using the phone. And never disassemble the phone for better airflow. That voids your warranty.
To prevent overheating, follow these tips. Keep your phone out of direct sunlight and hot cars. Update One UI regularly. Use Samsung authorized chargers. Choose thin, vented cases. Avoid using the phone while charging. And check battery health monthly in Samsung Members.
Your Samsung has built-in thermal protection to keep you safe. Now you know exactly what to do. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.